Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to study in Harvard Business School. First, familiarize yourself with the MBA program's specific requirements and application deadlines. It's crucial to understand what Harvard Business School truly seeks in its candidates. Next, gather all your academic records, including transcripts from every college or university you have attended. This foundational step ensures you have all necessary documents ready for submission. To strengthen your application, focus on achieving a competitive score on either the GMAT or GRE exam. These standardized tests are a key component of your profile. Harvard Business School does not prefer one test over the other. Additionally, accumulate substantial professional work experience, ideally 3 to 5 years, demonstrating leadership potential and a clear career trajectory. Highlight experiences where you've collaborated effectively and led initiatives. Now, let's focus on crafting a strong application. Your essays are a vital opportunity to share your unique story, motivations, and aspirations with the admissions committee. Take time to write compelling narratives that truly reflect who you are. Also, secure 2 strong letters of recommendation, ideally from current or former supervisors who can speak to your professional achievements and potential. Remember to complete the online application form accurately and thoroughly. The final stage involves the interview. If invited, prepare thoroughly by practicing your responses and understanding the school's values. This is your chance to demonstrate your fit with the HBS community. Simultaneously, research financial aid and scholarship opportunities, as approximately 50% of MBA students receive need-based scholarships. Remember to submit your complete application well in advance of the deadline to avoid any last-minute issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.